Hello, today we will guide you through how to create QR codes for audio files in Google Drive. To begin, open Google Drive in your browser. If you are not already there, simply search for Google Drive and go to the home page. Once Drive is open, look to the left side of the screen and click the New button. This is where you can add files from your computer into your Drive account. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload, then select the audio file you want to use. After the upload finishes, navigate to the file inside Google Drive so you can work with it. When you see your audio file listed, click on it to select it. This opens the file options you'll need for sharing. Next, choose the Share icon from the menu that appears. In the Sharing window, find the General Access section. Change the access setting to anyone with the link, then choose the role you want to allow. For most audio sharing situations, viewer access is the safest and simplest choice, since it lets people open the file without editing anything. Once that is set, click the Copy Link button, then confirm by clicking Copy Link if prompted. After the link has been copied successfully, click Done to close the sharing window. Now that your audio file has a shareable link, open a browser tab and search for a QR code generator. In the search results, click on a QR code generator website to open it. When the generator loads, paste your copied Google Drive audio link into the field provided. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to generate the QR code. Different websites may look a little different, but the basic idea is the same. Paste the link, let the site create the code, and review the result before saving it. Finally, click Download QR to save your QR code to your device. Once downloaded, you can place it on printed materials, slides, posters, packaging, or anywhere else you want people to scan and access the audio file quickly. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to test the QR code with your phone after downloading it. That way you can make sure the link opens correctly and that the audio file is accessible to anyone using it. If the file does not open, go back to Google Drive and double check that the sharing setting is still set to anyone with a link. That's it. You've now created a QR code that links directly to an audio file stored in Google Drive.